All right, so this patient lives a very active lifestyle and came in to see us for some low back pain and some right shoulder pain. He's been working with us for about a month. Been doing better, not gone yet, but better. His job plays a toll on his body, so it keeps kind of coming back, but we're gonna go ahead and get him adjusted today. With him, we start off with some low back stretching, something called flexion distraction. Just helps open up the discs, the spacing for the discs in between the bones of the low back. So we get him stretched out real good. Excellent. Doing all right, Joe? This is the fun content for you guys. Me's over here yawning. Good. All right. Let's go deep breath in for me. Breathe all the way out. There we go. Give me some little ones here. Let's go on your side facing me. Excellent. Scoot you back just a tad. Otherwise you're going to end up on the floor. We don't like that. Deep breath in. And all the way out. Good. Nice. Other side for me. When do you leave?
Saturday.
Okay. You guys just go for, I mean, you're not coming back Sunday, are you?
No, Monday.
Okay.
Some guys leave on Friday.
Deep breath. And out. Nice. Good. Let's go flat on your back here. I'm going to say, it's a quick trip. And out. Knees. Right shoulder. All right. Does that hurt when that happens?
A little tender, but